I wanted me some Dolly lashes, so I ordered me some. So we're gonna give them a shot. Let's try them, y'all. This is the lashes. Let's turn them this way. This is what they look like, super cute. And I already have my little rosy cheeks. I love that it comes with tweezers. These are so cute and everything is pink. Pink, pink, pink. And this is the lash glue that it comes with. So we're actually going to use what comes with the kit, okay? Let's take the protector off of there. And these are curved. I love that. You gotta be careful removing them. Don't want to break them. And I'm trying to see if I need to trim. Let me see, y'all. No, don't need to trim. Okay, so here's the glue. Okay. So let's apply it here along the lash line on my eye. This is like the easiest way to apply lashes to me, in my opinion. I don't know exactly how far they're gonna go, but I just brought it way over there just to make sure. Yeah, I'm gonna look down like this because I have a mirror in front of me, a big one. So look down. And bring it all the way down. And kind of press it up against where you applied that glue, like that. And I'm here to show I hit the inner corner too. And then you can just press like that. And as you can see, these are not super over the top, but they are very cute. Very lightweight, not uncomfortable at all. And then I'll take it and kind of just pull it back like that so you can actually see. That's so you can see the lash. I love it. Let me do the other one. Okay, got our glue. Y'all, that is my oil diffuser. Got the glue on. So then we're gonna take this, look down. Press it in and then push them upward like that so we can see them. Super, super cute. So I think I'm going to put on a little bit of mascara. I just want to show you. So to make them look a little bit more natural, just going in with some mascara. Let's do this side. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Do y'all see this, besties? Super cute. But yeah, y'all. Alright, y'all. So definitely try these lashes if you like the little dolly style, but these aren't doing too much. They're very soft as far as the look. They're not like super heavy. They're very light and comfy. And then applying some mascara to them, make them look less plastic and definitely a lot more natural. But I think they are given. And you can wear glasses if you wear glasses. I'm not gonna put mine on right now, but yeah, these are great lashes for wearing glasses. They give your eye that little pop. And I just love that for us. So get you some. All right, your girls gotta go. Later. Y'all, that's my oil diffuser. But again, later.